How to verify your Facebook page in 2025 step-by-step guide. Welcome to How to Mastery, your go-to channel for clear and trusted tech tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Facebook page in 2025 step by step. Let's begin. Step 1. Go to your Facebook page. Open the Facebook app or website and go to the page you manage. Step 2. Open Settings. Click on Settings, then select Page Setup or New Pages Experience if you're using the updated layout. Step 3. Request verification. Scroll down and click on Page Verification. If you don't see this option, search for verification in the section. Step 4. Fill out the verification form. You'll be asked to provide official page name, the category of your business or public figure, a description of what your page is about, a valid government-issued ID, like passport or license, or business document, like utility bill, tax form, or business certificate. Step 5. Add supporting details. You may also be asked to provide official website links, mention other social media accounts, explain why your page should be verified. Be honest and clear in your response. Step 6. Submit the request. After filling everything, click Submit. Facebook will review your request. The process usually takes a few days to a couple of weeks. You'll get a notification once your page is verified, or if they need more info. Important tips for approval. Make sure your page has a profile photo, cover image, and updated About section. Post regularly with original content. Use your real identity or registered business name. Avoid fake followers or misleading information. And that's it. If your page qualifies, you'll get the blue verification badge, showing your followers that your page is authentic and trustworthy. If this video helped you, please give it a like, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to How to Mastery for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting verified.